Ma'am, what is the meaning of appellate was played?
Which one, beta? Okay, appeler s'il vous plaît. Appeler. What is s'il vous plaît? S'il vous plaît, you have already learned. Tell me.
Ma'am, please, formal.
Please.
Yes. S'il vous plaît is please. Appeler means to spell. Spell, please.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the Sanskrit in?
Okay. Ça s'écrit comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Okay. It is written how? How it is written? Ça s'écrit comment is how it is written.
Okay. Ma'am, no problem. Ma'am, we have to write it in the copy also.
No, just write it in the book, beta. Need not write it in copy. Pragyan, beta, what do you want to know? I can't understand. What do you want to know?
Ma'am, the meaning of appellate still was played.
Appeler, see it is on the board. I have written on the board. Appeler, s'il vous plaît. Appeler means to spell. Appeler means to spell and please. S'il vous plaît means please. S'il vous plaît. Okay, children done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming on to the next part. The next part is les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. Now what is it? These are the subject pronouns. Now we know what pronouns are. Pronouns are I, you, we, he, she, it, they, him, her. These are all these are all pronouns. But if we particularly talk about subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, we, you, and they, right? These are all subject pronouns. I go to the market, you are playing outside, he studies his subjects very nicely, like that. Now, in French, if we translate them, if we translate these subject pronouns in French, what is the translation? I becomes here. If I want to talk about myself, like suppose I call myself, So what did I say? Je m'appelle. What did I teach you all? Je m'appelle. Just I. You means tu. When I talk about singular you, it becomes tu. He and she becomes il and el. Right? Il, el. He,
Ma'am, both are the one.
he stands for il and she stands for el. For men, we use singular man or boy, we use il. For feminine gender, we use el. We becomes nous, N-O-U-S, nous. You becomes vous. And when I talk about they, now they can...
Ma'am, but in the top, you is written two.
What? Yes. Now there is a difference between tu and vous. Tu is used in informal. Vous is used in a formal way. Vous is used for more than one, while tu is used just for one person. That's
Ma'am,
different.
first, ma'am, you is formal.
No, beta, tu is informal. Tu informal होता है, vous होता है formal. Tu used होता है singular case में, vous can be used in plural also. If I talk to all of you, I will address you all as vous, not tu. And then in the end, we have they. Now in they, I can talk about men also. I can talk about only women also. Men are standing outside or they are standing outside. So for men, we use ILS, ill. The plural of IL becomes ILS. And for women, it will be ELLES. Okay. Now make this table in your copies, all of you.
I'm made.
Made?
I'm made.
And then,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, beta, ask.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that there are two ways of they written.
Two ways, because one is written masculine and one is feminine. If I say
Yes, ma'am.
yes, if I want
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I was asking another thing. Ma'am, I can't see the full blackboard. Sir, ma'am, white.
now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now this table is to be learned in this sequence only. We can't change the order of this table, the subjects pronouns table. See, it is given on page number 28. And what is the order? What is the sequence? It goes je, tu, il, el, je, tu, il, el, nous, vous, il, el. Everybody speak. Je, tu, il, el, nous, vous, il, el. Everyone has written it?
Ma'am, till they only.
Yes, beta, till they only. These are only subject pronouns. Do you know any other subject pronoun apart from these? Subject pronouns तो यही होते हैं और कुछ होता ही नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Now you have to write this table in your copies. Write it down. Show me a thumbs up after writing it.
And class time is over.
Yes, Peter, it's over. Have you done this work? Those who have done can leave.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Peter.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.